In this part, we are going to learn about the double underscore name and then double underscore after. So first, we are going to create a project folders. So we use learn name, and then we use cd learn underscore name, and then we can type code dot to open the VS Code. Inside this folder, we create file 1.py and also the file 2.py, and then we go to the file 1.py and then we type print, and then we use my name is, and then we use this built-in variable name. And then if you now we go to the terminal, and then we type Python file1.py. Now you can see my name is double underscore main underscore, and this will be different if you execute this file directly, or you are going to use the file to run this file 1. So for example, if you take this as an modules and then you use import file 1, and then at here this time we use Python file 2. Python file 2.py. Now you can see my name is file 1 this time, because we are not execute the file 1 directly. Instead, we use the file 2 to import the file 1. So when it executes this function, this name will become the file name, which is file 1. And and now we can go to each of the file and enter if name is equal double equal to main. So we are going to check whether this file is executed directly or not. So we can type file 1 is executed directly, and then we type else print we can type file 1 is being imported. So we can save it and then save it. And then now we can clear this and type Python file 1.py, and you can see the file 1 is executed directly. And if you type Python file 2.py, you can see the name, the underscore, the double underscore name is equal to file 1, and then the file 1 is being imported. This has some problem because I forgot to change this. So if you execute this again, you can see the file 1 is being imported, so just like this, and the file 2 is executed directly, so it prints this line. So this is what is the double underscore name, and this is the built-in variable, and it will show different name when you are using import or execute directly.